Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 77. Transfers. Transfers overview. Transfers involve moving items from one outlet to another, often in cases of immediate need. This allows one outlet to borrow from another, ensuring continuous service. Borrowing. When an item is needed from another outlet. 1. Check availability. Verify if the required item is available in the other outlet. This can be done by contacting the outlet or physically visiting it. 2. Contact the outlet. Call or visit the outlet and inquire about the availability of the item. Discuss borrowing possibilities with the person in charge. 3. Obtain item. If the item is available for borrowing, bring it to your outlet to fulfill the immediate requirement. 4. Refer elsewhere. If the item is not available, explore other outlets for the needed item. Lending. When lending an item to another outlet. 1. Verify stock. Ensure that the requested item is present in your outlet's stock and that there's enough quantity to lend. 2. Record transfer. Prepare a transfer record to document the transaction using the requisition book. Modify title. Cross out purchase requisition form and write transfer at the top. Date. Fill in the transfer date. Item details. Write the complete item name under the item column. Quantity. Leave the first two columns empty and indicate the quantity to be transferred under transfer QTY. Signatures. Obtain signatures from the person borrowing the item and the service manager. Your signature. Sign the transfer record. 3. Submit. Bring the white copy of the transfer record to the bar's manager's office. In the bar's manager's absence, use the office of the Food and Beverage Operations Manager. Key points. Responsibility. All team members share the responsibility of accurately recording stock movement. Lender's responsibility. Outlets lending items are responsible for preparing and signing the transfer form. Management approval. All transfers must be approved and signed by the service manager or bar's manager. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.